Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Myself Ganesh. Today we are talking about this file system unmount issue. If suppose there is a file system mount on your server and if you want to unmount that file system, so using dfspace -yes, first you need to check the file system. If suppose I want to unmount the file system /yum, right? So using the command umount space /yum, you can directly unmount it. Correct. Now you can check this file system is now unmount. Now I'm again mount it. This /m is now mounted, but in sometimes but in your environment that file system is suppose someone using, so how you can check and how you can unmount, right? If suppose I am just entering under this /m and again I am going under this packages directory and giving some activity under it, and now I am trying to unmount umount space /yum. So it's reflecting this device is busy, right? But suppose this file system having this application and this application team wants to unmount, right? So at that time you need to unmount, but this device is showing busy. That means someone is now using that file system. So I am taking the another session. So using this ls op command, ls op space pipe says script space /yum, I am checking what currently they are using. So here is showing this root user is now accessing this /yum/packages directory. So you can track using this lsup command this directory is using or not. If suppose it is related any application team, you need to contact with the application to stop the particular process. If suppose you want to unmount it forcefully, so at that time you need to use this yup user space hyphen km space /yum. Now you can check on the server, that is I am again using, that is yup user space hyphen mu space /yum, checking it, and now I am checking ls of pipe script /yum. You can see this ls of is now not showing any this using this yum directory. So another command you need to use, that is umount. If suppose this file system still it is not unmounting, simply using this umount space /yum command, then you can use the lazy option, lazy with force, that is l small l and the small f you can use to unmount the file system. So your file system will definitely unmount it if it is in busy state. So there is no issue while unmount using this lazy option. So this option you need to do while unmount the file system if suppose any busy related issue is occur on the server, and if you want to unmount forcefully, then you can use this command. So thank you guys.